Another element of the basket of measures is the energy we use to move our aircrafts. This is the aviation fuels. So if we can decarbonize the aviation fuels that we are using, we will be helping achieving sustainability. We have a solution which is ready and available, which are called the sustainable aviation fuels, and are a great way to decarbonize our industry. These are fuels that are already available, that are compatible with existing engines, with existing aircrafts, and that allow us to achieve 70 to 80% of emission reductions on average. What's interesting on the sustainable aviation fuels is that they can be done and they can be produced out of many types of feedstocks. That can be, for instance, the residues that you generate at home. That can be forest residues. Your Christmas tree from last year could be transformed into sustainable aviation fuels, or used cooking oil, for instance. The industry is hoping we can increase the uptake of sustainable aviation fuel in Europe. And the regulation, so-called RefuelEU Aviation, will be very, very important in that regard. It was approved last year, and the idea is that in the EU, in 2050, 70% of the fuel we would be using would be made out of sustainable aviation fuels. EASA is contributing to RefuelEU. For instance, we will be publishing in an annual basis a report stating how the SAF market in Europe evolves. That will be very, very important to track how the aviation is doing in order to promote these new fuels. We do many other things. There is a labeling scheme as well under RefuelEU Aviation. There are the clearinghouse, there are fuel standards. So EASA is really moving, so we transform sustainable goals into action.